So I did drive our other car today, our other Tesla, Model 3, and it was driving as crappy as this one this morning.
And what's our nickname for that Model 3?
RC.
It's a fun one. After Toy Story.
Yeah, so when my truck comes, it will be, I will tell you later, because I don't want someone stealing it.
True. To be continued. Ha!
So I do want to point out to our viewers that yes, on a normal, when we are not filming, when it does something that I disengage, I do send in voice notes. So we just aren't doing that because we're filming.
But when we're cruising around and filming and up in the air, safety is our priority.
Which I suppose some could argue that, well, she's driving and she could do it, and you're right, but
then you wouldn't get the fun commentary of, oh crap!
yes, or my colorful language. So far we're making it farther than we did this morning.
I was going to say, we had an issue by this point this morning, it seemed. Just let me know, are we taking a left here?
Yeah, like the next turn.
No, not here. Whoops. Sorry, viewers. Bit trigger happy there on the sticks. We're doing it here.
Correct.
Get ahead of it.
So I had a hard time making this turn earlier, but we were making it right.
Hard.
Much better. Much smoother.
We're making it right up there.
Get some power lines.
Copy that.
See him?
I got him.
Alright. It should creep forward for visibility, but not go. And there's no one coming, so we can go. Good. Good job. And this left turn this morning was where we had an issue. This is where it all started.
You're making a left on 45th, right?
Correct.
Okay. Right now, Wilson's in the air saying, wait for me! If anyone's curious what Wilson is, it's my drone. I call Wilson the drone. Absolutely, you name your drones, much like you name your cars.
Power lines. Much better turn. And then we will be taking the first right.
Okay, where are we turning?
The first left before the gates.
Okay.
Hey, it did not slow down for that two-way stop.
Did we just have an intervention-free drive?
Not quite to the end yet, but we're getting closer.
I mean, I'm not trying to speak too soon here, but did we just have an intervention-free drive or about to?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can compared to what it did earlier. Alright, we're arriving at our destination.
Sweet.
I'm gonna pull up there.
And manually drive?
Yeah.
Cool. Just go ahead and manually drive and I'll follow you.